First DIY. Crush the paper into circular manner. Cover it with the sellotape or paper tape. I recommend you paper tape. Apply the coat of the Fevicol and just remember to make the two circles, one bigger and one smaller. Cover it with the cotton. Add the details. I make the muffler with the woolen. The several material to make it more beautiful, like clay, wooden stick and cardboard. These are day 1 and day 2 activities which we have done in the previous videos. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.